Hello dear fans. How Feuerbach explained the essence of God. Ludwig Andreas von Feuerbach is a famous materialist philosopher, atheist, uncompromising critic of religion and idealism. Ludwig Andreas von Feuerbach was born in 1804 in Bavaria. His father, a criminologist by profession, specialized in criminal law, greatly influenced his son's worldview. The latter also gravitated towards the natural sciences, but later took up philosophy. Studied and later taught at the University of Erlangen. Because of his views, he could not get a professor position and died in poverty at the age of 68 in Nuremberg. Religion as understood by Feuerbach. Feuerbach spent a lot of time explaining the understanding of how religion began. The essence of a person is made up of reason, will and heart. The essential difference between a person and an animal is in consciousness. Animals cannot have religion because there is no consciousness. The scientist believed that the first religions appeared as a result of the fear of the incomprehensible, inexplicable. Ancient peoples, limited in spirit, did not possess knowledge, worshipped mountains, trees, animals, rivers as divine beings, since their whole life and existence depended on nature. People were afraid of thunder, lightning, earthquakes, and invented gods they worshipped, tried to appease. They were looking for intercessors and assistants in their face. This is how the first religions were born. Feuerbach about God. Feuerbach believed that the essence of God is a human essence considered and revered as an extraneous, separate entity. Man himself, having invented God, attributed to him features that he considered ideal for himself. That is why the Greek and Roman gods are always tall and dazzlingly beautiful. People greatly appreciated the beauty of the human body. Any god is a creature created by human imagination. The image of God is created in the image and likeness of man, and not vice versa. People imagine him outside themselves and in the form of an independent being who is omnipotent, can decide everything for them, help or, on the contrary, punish them for their deeds, thoughts and lack of faith. In his work, The Essence of Christianity, Feuerbach writes, first, man unconsciously and involuntarily creates a god in his image, and then this god consciously and arbitrarily creates a man in his image. Explaining the development of religion by earthly reasons, Feuerbach argued that it interferes with the development of science and knowledge of the surrounding world, since the Church and the authorities are very jealous of scientists and in every possible way persecuted teachings that question the essence and deeds of God. The life of Feuerbach himself is a partial confirmation of this, given that he was not allowed to become a professor. The easiest way to explain the occurrence of the epidemic is the wiles of the devil or God's punishment, and to condemn and anathematize scientists who have studied the transmission of the disease, tried to find a reasonable explanation for what is happening. Feuerbach noted that the less educated a person is, the more attached he is to religion. Thanks for watching.